You ever walk around your campus and just think, man, we could do so much better? What if you, as a student leader, could actually be the one to spark that change, to transform your school into a place that's greener and just way more inspiring? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today, a simple step-by-step guide to making a real, sustainable impact.
Just for a second, picture it. Your campus with less trash, more green spaces, and a whole student body that's actually thinking about its environmental footprint. We're not just talking about a one-off event here. We're talking about creating a culture, a lasting legacy. And you know what the best part is? It all starts with one person, one simple idea. I totally get it. The whole idea of saving the planet feels massive, right? It can feel a little overwhelming, and you're probably thinking, I'm just one student. What can I really do? Well, that's the exact question we're here to answer. We're going to break it all down into easy, doable steps. So, you ready? Let's dive in.
All right, first things first, every great movement needs a mission. This first phase is all about the groundwork. It's about opening your eyes, finding your people, and picking one thing to focus on that's both meaningful and, more importantly, manageable. This is the foundation for everything else to come. And look, you don't have to be some kind of environmental scientist to do this. The most powerful projects literally start with just looking around. Seriously, take a walk through campus but with fresh eyes. What do you see? What kind of bugs you? I guarantee you the answer to what your campus really needs is probably hiding in plain sight. So let's talk about the low-hanging fruit. Waste is usually the easiest thing to spot. And because it's so visible, it's a great place to start to get other people on board. Think about the coffee shops, the dining halls, the library. So, for instance, at one university, students started noticing this literal mountain of single-use plastic cups being thrown out every single day. And that one simple observation, it sparked an amazing idea. And bam! See how that works? From one little observation, too many plastic cups, came a super simple campaign that made a huge measurable difference. We're talking thousands of cups saved in just one semester. It just goes to show you that a small, focused idea can have a massive ripple effect. Now listen up, because this is crucial. You are not in this alone. In fact, you shouldn't be. You're going to be way more successful if you have a team. So grab your friends, your classmates, anyone who's got that little spark of passion. Take the Eco Warriors in Cebu. How awesome is that name, by the way? They pull together students from all different departments to run cleanup drives and even recycling projects. Pro tip, give everyone a job. Have a planner, a communicator, a coordinator. It keeps things moving and makes everyone feel invested. It's so tempting, right? You see all the problems and you want to fix everything at once. But trust me, that is the fastest way to get completely burned out. The real secret to success here is to start small. Pick one manageable project where you know you can get a clear win. That first taste of success, even if it's small, builds incredible momentum. So what could that project look like? Well, you could go for a big one-time event, like a tree planting day or a campus-wide recycling competition. Or you could try to build a new habit with something like a plastic-free week or a zero-waste food challenge. Both are awesome. It's all about what feels right for your campus. Okay, you've got your idea, you've got your team. Now what? Now it's time to turn that idea into an actual concrete plan. This is the part where we build the blueprint for success. And please, don't let the word plan freak you out. It's not as complicated as it sounds. It really just boils down to answering these 4 simple questions. 1, what are we actually trying to do here? What's our goal? 2, who's doing what? 3, what stuff do we need? Money, supplies, permission. And 4, when does it all need to happen by? That's it. That's your roadmap. Now, you could have the absolute best project in the world, but if nobody knows about it, well, it's not going to go very far, is it? You've got to build some buzz, get your fellow students excited to join in. Creative promotion is absolutely 100% key. And think beyond just putting up a few posters. One university created a TikTok challenge for their plastic-free week, and it totally went viral on campus. I mean, even professors were getting in on it. And here's a great pro tip. Offer little eco rewards. Things like bamboo straws or even just digital certificates can really make people feel appreciated and boost participation. All right, the plan is locked in, the word is out, and now we are entering the final and honestly the most exciting phase. This is all about making it happen, learning as you go, and then figuring out how to turn one successful project into a real, lasting change for your entire campus.
It's showtime. This is where you bring all that planning to life with passion and energy. Remember that campus cleanup relay idea? They made it a fun, competitive game. And suddenly, cleaning up trash wasn't a chore, it was this awesome event. Now be organized for sure, but also be ready to be flexible. Something will always go a little sideways, and that is perfectly okay. Okay, the event is over, everyone's high-fiving, but wait, you are not done yet. This next step is so important. Get your team together and just talk. Ask these simple questions. What worked? What didn't? Did we hit our goal? This is how you get better for next time. And just as important, celebrate your win. You guys totally earned it. And this is where the real magic happens. The ultimate goal here isn't just to have a cool event. It's to make that positive change stick around for good. How can your project grow from a one-day thing into a campus-wide habit? Or better yet, into an official school policy? This is where you go from creating an event to creating a legacy. And if you're wondering what's possible, just look at this. A student-led paperless classroom campaign was so successful that it actually helped the whole school shift to digital tools permanently. And the result? They cut their paper usage by 80%. That is not just a blip. That is a fundamental systemic change, all started by students. So we've walked through the what, the why, and the how. We've seen real-world examples of students just like you, making a huge difference. Now, the focus shifts. Now it's about what you're going to do next. I love this quote because it hits the nail on the head. Being a leader isn't about having a title on your resume. It's about seeing a need, having a purpose, and inspiring other people to join you in making a real positive impact. So here it is, your 4-step launch sequence. It really is this simple. Don't overthink it. Just pick one small idea. Grab a friend or two who's also into it, find a teacher or an administrator who will support you, and then just start. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. And that's really what I want to leave you with. It all starts with one small step. So what's yours going to be? Are you going to notice the plastic cups in the cafeteria? Are you going to text a friend about starting a team? Whatever it is, that first little step is the most powerful one you can possibly take.